Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906@gmail.com. gmail.com. So, friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So, friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called "There is an intelligence which take care of the body." This topic I've covered. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic called "The subconscious mind works continually for the common good." This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. And friends, this is 75th number video, and the name of the topic is "The Subconscious Mind Work Continually for the Common Good." So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The subjective self within you works continuously for the general good. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the subjective self which is inside us, it continuously work for the general good, friends. Okay, reflecting an innate principle of harmony behind all things. So it represent a innate harmony behind all the things, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, your subconscious mind has its own will. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, here author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind have a complete own will, friends. Okay, and it is very real in something itself. So this thing is very much real in something itself, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, that means our subconscious mind have a own will, means our subconscious mind have a own wish, our subconscious mind have the own thinking, right? So our subconscious mind have one own planning for us, that this is good, this is bad. So and our subconscious mind also can differentiate between good and bad. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, it acts night and day whether you act upon it or not. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, our subconscious mind acts night and day even we act upon it or not act upon it. That means our subconscious mind always make us try to understand that what is correct and what is wrong, friends. Okay, whether we trust our subconscious mind or whether do not trust our subconscious mind, whether we believe our subconscious mind or whether we do not believe our subconscious mind, but our subconscious mind always make us try us to make us realize that what is correct and what is wrong. So it help us to create the difference between the correct and wrong, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, it is the builder of your body. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind is a builder of our body. That means it takes the many decisions in our body, friends. Okay, but you cannot see, hear or feel it. Building as all this is a silent process. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling we cannot see our subconscious mind, hear our subconscious mind or feel our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, because this building of the subconscious mind is a complete silence process, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, your subconscious has a life of its own, which is always moving towards harmony, health, and peace. So here, author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind have a life of its own, which is always moving towards harmony, health, and peace, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This is the divine norm within it, seeing, expressing through you all the time. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying this is a complete divine norm which is seeing, expressing, and seeking expression through us all the time, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I have covered the concept called the subconscious mind works continuously for the common good. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our next chapter, I'm going to cover the topic called how man interferes with the initiate principle of harmony. This topic, friends. Okay, how man interfere with the initiate principle of the harmony. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay.